All right, today, or should I say for the last couple weeks, we've been getting into this 2006 Subaru WRX. Pretty low mileage, but that doesn't mean it's impervious to rust. There's one quarter, the other. It's got a variety of dents here and there, and pretty cliche but superficial stone chip rust along the front of the roof. Front doors are rotten beyond repair, so we're just going to replace those. And then we've got one new fender, and the other fender was good enough to reuse. And up in the air with the skirts off, you can see we've got some perforations in the rockers there. Mega crushed pinch weld. The inner rocker is still intact, but definitely pretty crusty looking. Here we do have some bad decay starting underneath in this inner rocker. Over onto the other side, not the best, but not the worst. And over to the rear of the driver's side there, we've got a pretty cliche perforation there. And then along with pretty typical decay in the rear there. So what we'll do is, chop out the bads here. We don't need entire new rockers. We can just get away with chopping out the bad stuff and replacing it. Hawkeye is now ready to move into the booth for paint. So we have the filler primer is all sanded down, all the body work is looking good, and we're ready to mask this guy up and get some color on him. The front doors are off because we used donor doors, which were silver, so they require a complete color change. So we're just over here stripping the original doors. We've already done the exterior of these doors, but now we got to work on the inside and sand everything up to pretty much this little butyl line here for the color change. Few things, these are 2004 doors. We have a Hawkeye, so we actually have to switch the harness so it matches. This little bracket has to be switched, and the mirrors as well have to be switched. And I think the Hawkeye has chrome door handles, so those as well. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. This was a fun one to do. I definitely enjoy the not so extremely rusty ones, and this one was kind of one of those cases. In total on this one I was about 120 hours all said and done, so relatively affordable. The color we went with, even though this is a Hawkeye and by request to the owner, was the Java Black Pearl. So typically that's found on the Blob Eyes and the early SG FXTs. Really cool color, looks really good in the sun. However, unfortunately, we won't be able to show you guys it in the sun because the owner's picking it up tomorrow. Today it is raining. If tomorrow it's not raining, I'll get some clips in the sun and I'll add it into the video. But otherwise, till the next one, guys, thanks for watching.